Rossmore Mausoleum is a heritage building located in a forest setting at the heart of Rossmore Park, Ireland. The enclosed site, which includes the mausoleum and associated burial ground, is the resting place of generations of the Rossmore family. Dating from 1874, it was designed by architect Edward John Tarver. Monaghan County Council, which was granted ownership of the site by Paddy Rossmore in 2020, has undertaken to conserve, interpret and promote the heritage site in an appropriate and sustainable manner. The conservation project will require the skills of stonemasons, lime pointers, brick and tile specialists, blacksmiths, carpenters and joiners, and is intended to showcase the best of Irish-based architectural craftsmanship. Once completed in spring 2023, members of the public will be able to visit the mausoleum for cultural events and enjoy the fully restored Victorian building.